All right, I had some questions about the week 25 homework, so I thought I'd just do a couple problems real quick. On this first one here, you can see that the angle is marked at 23. Anytime you have an inscribed angle in a circle, if I can draw this real quick, if this is 23, when we double it for this arc out here, so 23 times 2 is going to give us just 46. So this will be a 46-degree arc. If we look at the next one, it's got a 162-degree arc, and it's asking for the measure of the angle. So all we're going to do is divide that by 2. 162 divided by 2 is going to give us 81. When we start to get down here around number 4, this is a 31-degree angle, which means that's a 62-degree arc because we have to double that inscribed angle. But it's not asking us for that one. It's asking us for this MP. So we're going to take that this going through the middle is the diameter. That's half. This is 180. So we'd take 180 and subtract 62 from that to get that arc. Most of the rest of this one is going to follow that same kind of stuff. Remember, it's 360 for the whole circle, 180 for half. As we go down to the next assignment, on this one, if you have two angles that intercept the exact same arc, they're going to be the same. So this angle for L opens up to M and N. And this angle for P also opens up to M and N. So those two angles are going to be exactly the same. So 5x plus 9 is equal to 6x. That means that x is equal to 9. And both of those would be 54. So you know, when you get questions like that, you can kind of look, you can kind of set them equal. The next page, the 10-4 part 2, is asking you to find the measure of the angles. Remember, the angles of a triangle are going to add up to 180. And right here, this angle B, since it intercepts the diameter, that's a 180-degree arc. So this is a 90-degree angle. So you can use the three angles of the triangle. On the next one, this is 360 degrees all the way around it. So this angle here, this angle F, and this angle over here, this angle H, those two angles, whatever they are going to add up to 180 because one of them opens up to E and G over here. So it's going to take that much of the circle. And this one opens up to E and G on the other side, so it's going to take the other part of the circle. Since the whole circle is 360 and the inscribed angles are half, that's going to be 180. And that's it for that week 25 stuff. Hopefully that gives you a good start. The stuff that's being pushed out by the district is actually the information over circles that we took a test on before we left. So you'll have a chance to kind of review what we were doing in class.